to demonstrate to you that Tusome system mobile application. So to download the mobile app, just simply come to your Play Store. Here I'm going to just demonstrate to you how to submit marks and how to download report cards using the mobile app. So submission of marks will be for teachers, downloading report cards will be for teachers and parents. All right, so come to your Play Store and go ahead and search for School Dynamics. So go ahead and open School Dynamics. So for me, I already have downloaded. I have it already downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded, you can go ahead and search it. So for me, I'll just simply open and install it. For me, I'll just simply open it. So when you open it for the very first time, it will give you a section where you'll have to provide your username and password. You just place in your username and password as how your school administrator shared with you, and just place in there. Username and password is simple, straightforward, as how the school administrator shared with you. So here I have different things that I can do. However, we shall demonstrate this entire application later. I just want to focus on the most important things that we want to do right now. So this is after a successful login, and I've showed the login is simple. Just ask the administrator to give you a username and password. If you're a teacher, if you are a parent, that's all you need to do. So here you have notice board, where the news about notice board will be posted. Here you have the events, all the news about events. Here you have the news, all the latest news will be posted there. You have your account, where you can update your profile, where you can change your password, etc. You can do it from there. Now let's go ahead and look at how can you submit marks. So submit marks, first of all, you should be a teacher and you have been assigned to some subjects. So to submit marks, we just simply come here in the bottom where there is exam and report cards. So click on exam and report cards. So we shall give you a section of secular marks and a section of theology marks. However, on top there, we shall show you the current term, which is term 2, and we shall show you the marks that are actively being submitted at this moment, which is mid of term. So if there is not anything that has been set, maybe the term and the marks, then you'll not be able to access this. So you'll be able to know that you're submitting marks for specific for specific term and for the specific exam through that top notification that you're showing up, that you're seeing up there. Then I want to submit those marks, so I'll just simply click on secular, for example, and then I'll be able to see the marks that I need to submit. All right, so these marks are just we have a section of beginning of term marks, mid of term marks, and end of term marks. So, and the name of a student, their respective class, and the subject, so you can be able to know the score that you want to submit. So we give you filters. Let's say that you want to concentrate on a specific class. You can do that by just simply clicking on this icon here and then filter by class. So I can say I want to concentrate only on P4. So when you click on P4, the system will show you all the marks of P4 only. All right, so you can be able to concentrate on that. You can decide that I want to concentrate on student per student, or I want to concentrate on a specific subject. So click on filter by specific subject. So the system will load for you the subjects that you teach. But read this account, I don't teach any subject. That's why I'm not able to see any subject. So to load for you the subject that you teach, so you can select a specific subject. After selecting it, and then the system will show you the marks of that particular subject only. Right, so you can be able to focus on that particular subject in case you want to. You can as well say I want maybe to focus on marks of a specific student. You can just simply do that by clicking on this search icon. You can see it, can toggle that. So let's search our student, which is Mandarin. So it will show you the marks of Mandarin only. If I want to clear the filters, I just simply click on clear filter, then it will show me marks of Mandarin even in different classes. Okay, fancy Mandarin of P4 only, I just simply say filter by class. I just simply put P4, then to show me the marks of Mandarin in P4 only. So those filters can help us to focus on specific things when we want to submit the marks. Now let's say that I need to submit the marks of beginning of term, of mid of term as it says. So I can just simply tap on the mark like this. Once you tap on it, now our system gives you option. If there are most common marks, beginning 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So if you don't want to type and the student has scored one of these marks that you see here, you can just simply tap on it, maybe 65, like that, maybe 50 or 45, unless the student has scored the mark that is not in this shortcut. Then you can simply enter it manually. But maybe if the student has scored 40, just simply tap on 40, and then the system will automatically put there 40. And here on top, we shall show you the mark that you're submitting, so you don't say that you shouldn't say that I submitted the mark that I'm not sure of. So I should tell you the term and the exam and the name of the student and the class and the subject. That is enough for you to know the mark that you're submitting. So I can just say maybe this student scored maybe 75. If it is 75, you just simply tap on it and then it will automatically be shown there. These are options. And then you just simply put the remarks. So the remarks you have here are suggestions also. Excellent, very good, good, fair, tried, poor, very poor, something like that. You can as well comment by simply removing and typing by yourself on the remark. So you can say maybe excellent like this. So that's how you submit marks, and then just say save, and then you go to the next mark. So if I can simply just say, for example, here, squad maybe 70, 85, and then just say very good, and then save. So it's as simple as that. You just simply tap on the mark and give the score, and then give the remark, just tapping in them, and then say save, or you can manually save, enter them. So when you say save, it will automatically upload the online database. So if you click, you refresh like this, you pull down to refresh, it will give you the updated records, right? So it will even update the online database. So it is that simple to submit the marks. Likewise to theology, just simply tap on theology to bring you the theology marks, and you can be able to do what? To submit those marks. For the first time, it will take time to load, but once it loads for the first time, it will be very, very fast. That's how you submit marks using the mobile app. I hope you've understood how you can submit marks using the mobile application. Now, the next thing, how do you view report cards using the mobile app? So to view report cards using the mobile application, you just simply come to school fees. You just simply come to students. So when you click on student, you'll be able to see all the students. So if you're a parent, you'll be able to see the students that you teach at this school. Okay, you'll be able to see the students that your children that learn at this school, from this school. So if you have 2 children, they will show up here if you are a parent of these students. Now let's look for our Murphy. Here you can filter. I want male student, I want female student, I want female, I want student in a specific class, maybe P4, like that. I want students by maybe school fees, etc. So I can clear this by just simply coming, say I want all of them. So that is how you can play with these filters. So now I may say that I want maybe Madeline. So I can just simply come on search and then search by the name like this. So my student is here, Madeline. If I click on him, I'll be able to see her or him. I'll be able to see the details of this student. So here it's where I'll be able to see the attendance records of this Madeline, disciplinary records, and the most important part that I want to do here is the report cards. So a parent should see a report card of their children. They just simply come here and Madeline, and then you'll see the report card, the date when it was generated, etc. So if this parent wants to download the report card through their mobile application, they just simply tap on it, and then the system will load the report card without going to other browser, something like that. So I'll be able to see the report card of my child within the application. All right. Now, if I want to download this report card, maybe I want to share it on WhatsApp, I want to do anything with it, I can just simply click on download here. So when I click on download, the system will launch the web browser and then download for me the report card in PDF format. And once I have this report card in PDF format, it means that I can be able to share this report card either through WhatsApp or anything. So if I just say download, it will go ahead and load for me the report card. I can be able to share it. This is a PDF format. So in PDF format, I can be able to share it. So that is how the parent can get the report card through their mobile phone. All right, it is simple and straightforward once you log in successfully. Yeah, so this is a PDF. I can share it, I can go and print it, etc. Yeah, so that is it for the mobile application. So this mobile application has more things that you can do, and I'll show them later. For this, I've just shown how you can enter marks, how you can download report cards, but it has other things such as transaction, etc. So see you in the next session.